Gotta get top dead center. Good old paper towel trick. Oh, this nigga's got a screwdriver, boys. Old paper towel trick. Alright, hold that for me. Trying to find top dead center, boys. And that's right on the mark. Nice and cruddy, straight from the importer. Your class is in session. I didn't get that one, Joe.
You did? A lot of bad things.
I didn't get that one, Joe.
You did? A lot of bad things.
What are you doing? Are you doing story?
Phone, bro.
No, do a story. ARP main cap bolts are in. Torque them to 3 steps up to 60 pounds. Now just testing to see if the crank spins over freely. And we're good to go, boys. That bitch spins and there's a lot of compression. I'm fighting it.
Also DMX shit. I go DM my exes. I tell them they belong to me. That goes on forever. And I think we just get closer when we not together. You tell me. Also DMX shit. I go DM my exes. I tell them they belong to me. That goes on forever. And I think we just get closer when we not together. You tell me.
Earlier this morning, me and Joe, we made 2 separate baths with degreaser. This has like all the timing parts and shit, and this has the oil pan, the baffle, the sump, a bunch of different. Pull them out so that you could see how good this bath was. To the record, everything looked like this, just coated, because people don't really change their oil that much in Japan, or just don't give a fuck, or the 1J was just in like some family sedan, or you know, just in a basic car and nothing crazy. So I'm gonna pull these parts out of that one, just so you could see. That's what it looked like. Everything in there had that coating all over. This has always been one of my little tricks, that Cuban shit my dad's taught me over the years. That don't really matter much. It's just, but it's when I get to the good stuff. So here we go. It's just a brush. So here's the sump. Oh shit. This thing was coated. That's the backside, obviously, but looks brand fucking new. That oil sludge on it, but I mean, it's insane what a little bath of degreaser and water will do. See all that gunk in there? I still gotta scrub it, but I mean, it was coated pretty heavy. The baffle for the sump. Looks damn near brand new. You see, it still has a little bit of latest and greatest. This thing is pretty much stripped down to a bare block. So tomorrow, I got the day off. I'm just gonna heat this up with a torch and get all the impurities out. That way when I shoot the paint, not only is it a hot surface for the paint to stick to, but there's no oil to allow the paint to freaking just bubble up or, you know, just not adhere to the surface. So that's tomorrow's project. I just ordered a shit ton of gaskets that I just realized I was missing. This weekend, getting the angle kit finally finished up. Hard to weld at nighttime. Can't really see shit. It fucking sucks. My dad was over it, and I told him let's just call it a night. All this stuff is clean. Most of it's getting shot with paint. So I wanted to polish these. I don't know. It's a lot of elbow grease. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But this is where I'm at today, guys. Oh yeah, and subframes finally. Let me sure. Flaggy! Paint that shit, slave. Send me, bro.
Go get it. Just throw it on his left.
Yeah, just throw it.
Is that flake on your block?
That flaky? So intake manifold and the runners and a couple other miscellaneous parts right out bad. It's damn near almost squeaky clean in there, but it'll take a little bit. I'm gonna leave it in there for a day. These runners, it's crazy. That's it for the day. Fuck this rainy weather. It's so fucking muggy out. Gonna sit inside, watch some movies, and finish polishing those valve covers.